Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing audio sync issues with DVD playback where sound is delayed or ahead of video, follow these step-by-step instructions to adjust timing settings. Step 1. Determine if the audio sync problem occurs on all DVDs or just one specific disc to identify whether the issue is with your player or the disc. Step 2. Clean the DVD disc and your player's laser lens using appropriate cleaning methods to ensure smooth data reading and eliminate temporary playback issues. Step 3. Access your DVD player's audio settings menu by pressing the Setup or Menu button on your remote control during playback. Step 4. Look for an audio delay, audio sync, or lip sync option within the audio settings menu, which allows manual adjustment of audio timing. Step 5. Adjust the audio delay value in small increments, typically measured in milliseconds, by pressing the arrow keys to move audio forward or backward. Step 6. Test the adjustment by playing a scene with dialogue and watching for lip sync accuracy, making further adjustments as needed. Step 7. If your player lacks audio delay settings, check your TV or AV receiver for similar audio synchronization features that can compensate for timing issues. Step 8. Update your DVD player's firmware through the manufacturer's website if sync problems persist, as software updates often fix playback timing bugs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.